This is the unboxing and short overview of the new Nikon version of the Pixel X800 speedlight. It has a nice soft pouch which you can either use on your backpack or through your belt. I like that. That is the unit itself. Looks exactly like the Canon version. Set that aside. Then you have a manual in Chinese and English. Covers the basic operation of the flash. In here have a diffuser or a flash stand. There's the flash stand. And here's the diffuser. Put some batteries in it. Feels pretty nice. I like the Pixel units. Okay. Ttl mode with exposure compensation. It also shows the exposure compensation that is set in the camera body. I find that very useful because I always forget to reset the exposure compensation when I put a flash on my camera. Zoom, can hear it move. Goes up to 200, but it doesn't cycle back, so you have to go back all the way to 20 millimeters. It goes from 20 up to 200 millimeters for full frame coverage. Okay, and then back to automatic, and it stays at 50 while not on the camera. Okay, the function menu. Oh, that's nice. It has a tips, text tips on the screen. That's new. Backlight, leave that on. Always on. Autofocus assist, on or off. Sleep delay from 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 30 minutes, 2 hours, and off. Okay, illumination. Okay. Standard. This is something that I've seen in Nikon units. It moves the zoom in 3 positions. See, that's standard. That is evenness, whatever that is, and the center. Okay, there you have it. Let's see about the modes. Manual mode go for a few full power discharges. And ready. Ready. Okay. Stroboscopic mode. Ttl mode. That's a TTL balance mode, like you see in the latest Nikon units. That's supposed to help with a better exposure of the subject while used as a field flash. And then back to the TTL mode. Let's take a look at the wireless menu. This is a very inexpensive unit for the wireless feature, the features that it offers, including a master feature. Okay, it's the channel setting. Master, you can switch it on or off. It's a TTL mode. And then the channel settings, either off, TTL with compensation, of course. Okay. Watch again the tips on the screen with every menu option that you cycle through. Another long press of the set and CLS button will take you to the slave mode, the optical mode, and the digital optical slave mode. It ignores the pre-flashes, and then a third press of the mode button will take you into the Nikon CLS slave mode. You can change the channels and the group setting. And then it cycles back through the dumb optical wireless modes. Second long press gets you back to the TTL mode, and that's about it. The new Pixel X800 Nikon version. Look for a full review on my website soon. Thank you for watching.